I realized I haven't been doing this for quite a while, quite a long time, other than my travel video. And I cannot think of a better place to start doing it again than at the iLightSingapore, which is a yearly night festival that we have here in Singapore. I'm right here at the Double Helix Bridge, which is the start of the night festival. One big round from the Double Helix Bridge to the promenade area and all the way to Fullerton. There's another area which is at the other side of Suntec, which I don't think I will walk over there. I think by the time I finish this one round at the Marina Bay Waterfront, I think I'll be dead tired. So what to expect? I have no idea. I did not check beforehand. I'm trying to let the exhibit surprise me. So I hope that you can be, equally as surprised as me, maybe the right way. So sit tight. Let's go and check it out.